Welcome back. In this session, we'll be touching upon Class C airspace, which requires authorization. It has a vertical height of 4,000 feet AGL and represented as magenta lines. It has a core and a single ring or shelf. Class C airspace is controlled and regulated and has a control tower. This type of airspace is individually tailored and ATC clearance is required. A Class C airspace consists of a core and a single shelf, ring, or layer, which is identified by solid magenta lines. The vertical height is indicated by two magenta numbers in hundredths, and we'll see that in a moment. The core of the Class C airspace has a radius of 5 nautical miles, and it goes from the surface up to 4,000 feet AGL. However, it's charted in MSL, so you take the airport elevation and add 4,000. The outer circle, shelf, or ring, that has a radius of 10 nautical miles and extends no lower than 1,200 feet AGL. Here we can see the profile of a Class C airspace. It's pretty straightforward. Also, we can see the profile of a Class E transition area. In these two examples, it's going to help us identify the vertical height of each of the areas of the Class C. On the left-hand side, we see T over 15 and T over surface. The T indicates that the ceiling abuts a Class B floor, and in this example, the Class C ceiling is identified as 2,099 feet, whereas the Class B floor is identified as 2,100 feet. There's a little more detail to be discussed in this graphic, so we'll cover that in the VFR sectional chart session. Alright, let's take a look at the example on the right with the Albuquerque Airport, which has an elevation of 5,355 feet MSL. To get the vertical height of the Class C airspace, we tack 4,000 onto 5,355 and round up. There we get 9,400 feet MSL. So the core is from the surface to 9,400 feet MSL, and the first ring starts at 6,900 feet MSL up to 9,400 feet MSL, and there's another one which starts at 7,800 feet MSL on up to 9,400 feet MSL. Next up, we have a Class C airspace with a core and a single tier. In this example, it is around the Billings-Logan International Airport. The core starts at the surface, extending all the way up to 7,700 feet MSL. And the tier begins at 4,900 feet MSL, extending all the way up to 7,700 feet MSL.